Greetings all, Shane Bruce, Restomod Daisy with the latest arrival here at the shop. What we've got is a pre-war Daisy Red Ryder Carbine. You can tell it's pre-war because it's got the peened front sight band. It's got some rehabbed copper going on that. I'm pretty sure that's been replated, and that probably was pulled off, replated, reinstalled. It's just a little bit super duper nice to be original to the gun, but it could be. What we're looking at is a 111 model, 11140 Red Ryder Carbine. Check the roll stamp out. Surface blue on the gun looks good. It could have been redone as well, but I'm not really sure on this. It's open to debate. It does have the appropriate washers behind the lever bolt and the trigger bolt, cast iron lever, that's appropriate. Small top stock screw, that's appropriate. Wood looks to be in pretty good nick. It's an early imprint with a Fred Harmon signature. Let's flip her over to the mother-in-law side and take a peek on that. Oh, this belonged to, I don't know, I can't really pronounce. Ulata? Harleta? Hard to make that out. If anybody can read that, I'm having trouble with that name. Got a couple of non-stock nuts on the back side. That appears to be correct. Those are aftermarket, subbed in somewhere. Once again, we get a look at the forehead. The copper bands are super bright. We'll see if that looks the same when we take them off. Won't be dismounting this part though. That was repeened after plated, I believe. The gun came in because it's got a issue with staying at battery. You can cock the gun, the plunger assembly will engage, but the trigger immediately gives it up. So that's either a problem with the back of the plunger assembly or a problem with the trigger assembly itself. We'll know more about that after we get her cracked open. But going down the surface of the gun, and she's nice and clean. It is missing some blue, but it's smooth to the touch, and it looks pretty good. I would say these are popular stocks. Should be interesting once we get it apart. Shouldn't take too much to correct whatever issues it's got. Well, kids, that's all we've got for you today. We'll let you know how this project turns out, and it won't take too long, I hope, to get Rascal finished. That's all we've got for you today, kids. This is Shane Bruce with Restomod Daisy, signing off.